Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to zoom in the Canva video editor timeline. This is a helpful way to get more precise control when editing clips, animations, and timing. Now, let's get started. On your Canva dashboard or video editing dashboard, if you want a part of your video to have a zoom, all you have to do is choose which part of the video you want to zoom. Let's say, for example, you want to have a zoom effect here. All you need to do is click this part and then click Split. Once you have split, you just need to choose the part where you want to end the zoom on your video. After choosing the part, all you have to do is click the split again. Now you have three parts: the normal, the zoom, and the normal again. Next, just click the normal part or the zoom part of the video and then click this cup here and adjust your video to make it zoom. As you can see, this part now, you just have to zoom this part here. You will notice it will zoom. Once you're done, all you have to do is click Done. Now, when you play the video, it will have the zoom effect in your Canva. This technique allows you to zoom into the timeline so you can see your video's frames more clearly and make accurate adjustments. And that's how you zoom in the Canva video editor timeline. This is a simple trick to edit your videos more accurately and create smoother, more polished results.